September 25th, 2025. 2 forged checks, $25,000. 1 elderly victim. This is what elder financial exploitation looks like on Bodycam.
Hello. Is she? I'll have to reach out to her directly.
I'm sorry, I lost the hearing aid. I can't hear you too good. This side.
And where do you live? Is this a...
Whether I can use these checks when I need it, our mortgage is behind. I got a check cash left week also. And this was the last one I had.
Can we run her, please?
Yeah.
And then, have you done a 53 to 19 before?
What do you mean 10-19? Like 53,
1950?
19, no.
This is so embarrassing.
1950. I'll stay, so I can call Gerber and let him know what's going on. If you can find...
You mean 15? 10-15, is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yeah, 1915 is...
No, it's 10-15.
No, it's
Huh?
1915. This is
Oh.
people's stuff.
Oh, okay.
We shortened it.
Okay.
Can I call my sister here?
She's outside? She's...
No. Oh no, she found out I work till 1.
Okay.
She stays in touch with my aunt because my aunt is off the wall and an alcoholic. And we brought her to the hospital so many times. This is going on for she moved here just 4 years.
Your sister?
No, my aunt.
Oh, your aunt?
This is my aunt. She's only 2 years older than my sister. They're close.
Gotcha.
Right.
How long you lived in Hollywood?
Me?
Yeah.
I was in Hollandale first, but 20 years from New Jersey.
Oh, nice. What part? What part of Jersey?
Hoboken.
Oh, nice. I was born in Newark.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I'm turning 60. I'm so embarrassed. My aunt is nuts. That's why I don't talk to her.
Yeah.
First, we had to find her house, do everything. And then she gave us this when she's one way.
How old's your aunt?
Let me see, my sister's 63, so she's 65.
Oh, okay.
We just got a social security check in line because she doesn't know what's going on.
Gotcha.
I'm totally embarrassed. And what is going on? I'm going to get arrested here?
Well, we're trying to figure out what's going on as well. See,
Okay.
so we're in that process right now. So just hang tight for a few, okay?
So,
So those are the ones that went to and then these are original checks.
These ones are original?
Yeah, so those are the ones. I verified with her what were her last checks that she actually,
Incident 3501 Johnson. They actually called from the hospital phone.
Oh, could you do me a favor? Just stay off the phone for a little bit, okay? Hey, she gave me the copies of the checks. I don't know if you want to come take a look at them. Yeah, well, she just walked in now, so. Originals? Ones from today. These are originals from the past, and these are the ones from today.
What's your name?
Andrea,
So you obviously know why we're here, right?
do I know why you're here?
Yeah, you know why we're here?
Jesse from 18 minutes apart.
16 with 10 for cancel checks,
Why are
thank you.
we here?
And that's very loud. You're here because they think I cash checks. My aunt had given me these checks before, and now she's saying she didn't, so I'm stuck
Okay.
here.
So before I ask you some questions, I'm gonna read some things to you, okay? The law requires that you be advised of these rights prior to answering any questions or making a statement. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Okay, anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that?
yes,
Okay, you have the right to the presence of an attorney before and during any questioning. Do you understand that?
yes.
Okay. So, what happened today?
So Miss Andrea came in, she went to withdraw 16,000 in cash. We didn't have that available, so she said she wanted 5,000 and she'll get the rest in a cashier's check payable to
Hold on a second. So where did the check, which account did it go into when she first deposited? Was it her account?
yes. So
So she is
yesterday
client.
she deposited. Yeah, she's a client too. So
Okay.
both
At this
people-
location, she deposited that check?
No, it was at the Sheridan location.
Okay.
So it was deposited yesterday. She came here today to withdraw it. When we went to just verify, because it's available next business day, so when I went to go verify, when I looked at his account, I seen that it was negative, that amount. So that prompted me to call and
From that check?
yes,
So
exactly.
she did not have the actual funds
No.
to cover the check?
No.
And did she say,
So it bounced.
she's saying she never authorized
She said
anyone?
she never authorized that. I called it. She said she knows who she is. That's her aunt. But she told me the last check
So
that
what was
she
that
wrote.
check, what was that check for?
What was it for? What I was giving it to my brother-in-law for a mortgage payment.
Okay.
That's what
So,
Brother-in-law.
I gave them. That's
So
my
that's your
brother-in-law.
sibling's spouse?
That's the one she
That's
tried.
your sibling's
So this is
spouse?
the one that was
No,
deposited
my
yesterday.
sister's.
Yeah,
your sister's husband.
I'm missing hearing aid, and there's a lot of noise in this one. I'm sorry.
Signature there.
Yes.
The correct signature.
The money she was lending us, gave us as a gift, I was giving them to pay the mortgage.
Is that one you need cash?
And she,
Well, because when I.
and 1 minute she's yes, 1 minute she's no. She mostly talks to my sister, they're 2 years apart.
Yes.
I really don't talk to her because she's not here.
And she's immobile.
Where did your aunt live?
I just said Lauderdale by the sea.
Okay, so these are the two that you deposited at some point, right?
One last week, yes. I
Okay.
used both banks, I was going to Walmart after here, that's
So-
why I came here.
Our concern is, which is, they're supposed to do their due diligence.
Of course.
I mean, this signature is completely different than this one,
She's done that before.
but they don't have record of her ever doing that. Like every check that they have from 5/20, 6/2, 7/30, 8/1, all of these signatures are consistent, but the only two that are not are, magically the ones that are being cashed by you.
Okay.
So then they call her and she's saying she never authorized you. So you understand what predicament we're in?
Of course, and
Because
I'm in.
technically, yeah, you're in possession of a fraudulent check. Well, you
Yes.
deposited that fraudulent check already, and you're trying to use those funds from that fraudulent check.
Yes, of course.
Question. Was this withdrawn already too?
Yes.
Yeah, she already cashed those funds.
Florida Statute Section 825.103 requires no forgery proof. Deception or undue influence targeting a person 65 or older is enough. The physical evidence was decisive. Every signature on the account was consistent except the 2 checks the suspect deposited. That pattern established probable cause. The victim's telephonic denial sealed it. Under Illinois v. Gates, independent corroborating threads satisfy the totality of circumstances standard.
They were blank?
No, she had the amounts, and she wrote my name.
But even the signature is not even consistent.
I could see that.
Are they even in the right order? No, not even. This
I
is
don't know.
127, and then she goes back to 109. This is what's her name?
How old is she?
65.
So she's an elderly person. Your aunt is 65 years old?
Yes. My sister's only 2 years
Let me call
younger.
her.
They're closer.
Okay, I'm
My
gonna
sister-
just to let her know that you're calling.
Yes.
her.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's
just want to know the
I'm gonna call her
situation.
outside.
She was in New Jersey, the house was falling apart around her, and my older sister went and got her.
The Hollywood Police Department are gonna be calling you right now, okay? So just pick up the phone, you might get a unknown number, but that's the Hollywood Police Department.
I
Okay,
can talk to her there.
Hey,
oh,
Is she fine talking?
would you like to talk to the police department on this phone?
Is there any way we?
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Do you have another office?
Yeah,
Come on.
Hello? I'm with the Hollywood Police Department. How are you?
Yeah, we can go in this office over here. Yeah, she can still hear. Yeah.
I came here. Like you know.
I was just waiting.
Is it here? Yeah. More or less, she's gonna press charges against me or not? Is that what's going on?
We're trying to figure out right now. I only really know partial of the story, so we just gotta figure out what's going on. We'll just hang tight here for a few minutes. We'll just hang tight here for a few minutes, okay?
Do you want to talk to a detective? Are you willing to speak to a detective?
Do I want to speak to the detective?
A detective.
Do I need to? What,
You don't need to.
I don't know.
Well, you're being detained at this point,
Yes,
pending a possible arrest. Do you understand that?
I do now.
Okay. Do you wish to speak with a detective? Okay.
So help me. This is what happened.
Miranda was administered correctly, each right confirmed individually. The suspect waved and spoke. Every word that followed is admissible. 4 charges stacked: grand theft, elder exploitation, uttering a forged instrument, and worthless check. Maximum exposure: 40 years, 30,000 in fines.
My hands pressing charges on me? Huh? Wow.
Seems so.
Her bank account was negative, she said? Nothing wrong. Did you hear that?
I'm not too sure.
Last time I took it to the bank. She must have gave out a lot more than I don't remember.
You drove here?
Yeah,
Okay.
the car, I guess, next to yours. And I really want to have a cigarette. Can we ask them? Is that what it is? Because my nerves are shot.
I got you. Just give it a few minutes. Come on, let's go to the car. No. Alright, you can take your bag off.
Here, we need your purse.
Can you take your bag? Put your hands behind your back like you're praying.
Hold it.
No, the car keys.
Put your hands behind your back like you're praying.
Excuse me?
Like you're praying. Yep, there you go.
You're gonna take everything.
I wanted to leave the car keys here.
Well, for what?
No, they're not responsible for your vehicle.
I'm gonna go tell her. So it's better off if you take your car.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, we're not gonna leave your keys here.
Okay, that's my car.
Okay.
All right. That's tight enough.
Yeah.
I'm not going to do anything.
Right this way. I got it.
What car is it?
It's the Subaru right
Right
here?
here. Yes.
This car? Okay, my truck's over here.
Oh, I thought it was that one. Thanks for letting me have a
If
cigarette.
I'll let you have one before we go.
Well, they're in the car.
Okay. She said it's the Subaru.
Right there.
All right, this way.
This one?
The SUV, the truck right here. Just watch your step. On this side. Are the cuffs too tight? Are the
No, I have arthritis in my shoulder, so it hurts.
Okay, you want me to I could do 2 cuffs for you. Hold on. All right, I'm going to take this bracelet off, okay? Is it a clasp?
Huh?
It's a clasp, right?
Yeah, there's 2. No, that's not it. Where your
Up or
thumb
down?
is.
Yeah, up or
No,
down.
you should have pulled it down. The other one's open.
There you go.
Now pull. You press it on.
All right. Vanessa, could you just do a pat down on her? All right, I'm just gonna give you a pat down, okay? Everything goes in your purse?
Everything in my purse? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and have a seat.
Have,
Yep. Can you get up?
oh my God.
Officers, A-, textbook Miranda, minimal accommodating force, clean procedure, suspect, D. Pre-Miranda admissions, a completed prior withdrawal, and a victim who denied everything on record. TD Bank, A. Flagged the fraud before funds were released, preserved evidence, facilitated the victim's statement, model response. 3 lessons this case makes clear. First, never negotiate a check for a relative without written, documented authorization. Verbal claims of gifting are worthless against physical signature evidence. Second, once detained, stop talking. Pre-arrest voluntary statements are among the most damaging tools a prosecutor has. Invoke your right to counsel. Say nothing further. Third, banks are not passive institutions. They verify, they compare, they call. When something doesn't match, law enforcement is already on the way. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. In the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.